Guide your reading, using a pointer or finger. Hello learners! Today, we'll dive deep into a wonderful technique that can drastically improve your proofreading skills, using a pointer or finger to guide your reading. Whether you're new to English or have been at it for years, this technique can help you catch mistakes and understand the text better. Let's get started. When we read, especially when proofreading, it's easy to skip over errors. Our brain often autocorrects mistakes without us even realizing. By using a pointer or finger. 1. Focus. It helps in keeping our attention on one word or line at a time. 2. Pacing. It controls the speed at which we read, preventing us from reading too fast and missing errors. 3. Guidance. It acts as a guide, ensuring we don't miss lines or accidentally reread the same lines. 1. Position. Start by placing your pointer or finger just below the first word you're reading. 2. Move slowly. As you read, glide your finger or pointer beneath each word. This should be at a pace that's comfortable but purposeful. 3. Pause and reflect. If you stumble upon a sentence that feels odd, pause and reread. Your pointer can act as a marker to help you remember where you left off. 4. Switch hands. If you're reading for an extended period, you can switch hands to avoid fatigue. 1. Rushing. The purpose of using a pointer is to maintain focus. Don't rush, or you might as well not use it. 2. Pressing too hard. If using a pointer or pen, avoid pressing too hard. You don't want to leave marks on the document. 3. Getting distracted. The pointer's goal is to enhance concentration. If you find your attention wandering, take a short break before continuing. Thank you for joining me today. The technique of using a pointer or finger to guide your reading is simple, yet it can make a significant difference in your proofreading and reading comprehension. Give it a try the next time you're reading a lengthy document or proofreading a piece of writing. I hope you found this video helpful, and happy reading!